Well, today's been another day where we had sunshine give way to clouds or vice versa at other points during the week. The bottom line is we've had these intervals, these waves of clouds, but there have also been opportunities for sunny skies. And the cloud cover has really determined just how warm we get any given day. Yesterday we made it into the low 60s. Today the clouds arrived early enough in the afternoon to cap off our high at 59 degrees. And now we're beginning to find those clouds lowering across the area. And I think they're going to start yielding some damp conditions overnight tonight with some areas of mist likely developing. To the northwest we find an area of showers. That's the next cold front. And that cold front will drive southeast tonight, arriving in our area tomorrow morning and sweeping through during the morning hours, so that by the end of the day it's fully through the area and colder air is pouring in on gusty northwest winds. In fact, looks like while rain and mild temperatures will be the big story early in the day, it will be the wind that will be the big story late in the day when we could have gusts of 35 to 45 miles per hour. Here's a look at the hour by hour. Again, overnight tonight, clouds thickening and lowering. We should see some mist break out this evening, continuing overnight tonight. And then by 7 o'clock in the morning, that's where the cold front is. Showers starting to focus along that cold front, and they'll intensify as they work east to Highway 65. Could even hear a few rumbles of thunder with some of this activity. Nothing severe. That will sweep east of Highway 63 by lunchtime. Rain should be ending very quickly across our eastern county shortly after lunchtime. And notice how quickly we go back to sunny conditions. We'll find mostly clear conditions for the afternoon hours. Rainfall amounts will be lightest to the west of Highway 65 and heaviest east of Highway 65. Generally, most folks will see about 1/4 of an inch. Some locations, though, could see as much as about 1/2 an inch of rainfall. Temperatures tonight, these are numbers that you see right there. That's what we're going to find this evening. Those are the lows this evening, with temperatures slowly climbing as we're approaching sunrise. And then tomorrow, the high temperatures that you see on this map right here, those occur early in the day. Temperatures will take a dip by late morning, falling into the upper 40s before recovering into the low to mid 50s with the sunshine in the afternoon. As far as winds, I think they're going to be getting gusty overnight tonight. They'll be gusty as the cold front moves through, and then they'll drop off through midday, and then they'll ramp back up by mid-afternoon through the late afternoon and early evening time frame when we'll find those stronger wind gusts. Temperatures tomorrow night dropping through the 30s and into the 20s. In fact, it looks like low to mid 20s will be common across the area. And Friday looks to be kind of a chilly day. We'll find partly sunny skies with afternoon temperatures ranging from the low 50s southwest to upper 40s to the northeast. Over the weekend, quick rebound in temperatures on Saturday, expecting highs in the low 60s. Another cold front goes through. That'll knock temperatures back on Sunday. Next week, though, it looks like the pattern will be one that is very warm across much of the United States. The result, temperatures climbing on Monday, lots of clouds, highs in the 50s. Can't rule out a little bit of mist there. I think on Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll have a tendency to see morning clouds giving way to some afternoon sun. And look at those temperatures at night and during the day. Highs up near 70 degrees Tuesday, Wednesday, and I think we're going to be able to carry that through Christmas Day as well. Bailey?
All right, it is looking incredibly warm. So